My goodness, it's so windy. All of a sudden, the dark clouds are coming, and I think there's just going to be a giant downpour. So I'm making it into the store before it pours here, I think. No, I actually like one of the carts, so there's always more room this way, and it's just easier to push and film at the same time. This is the new line of makeup that I've seen at some of the stores. Some have bigger displays or they just have sold faster, and I've heard really great reviews from you guys. So if you're willing to try some makeup, I love these little signs. I have a set of these plastic cups at home. I actually find them really great for when there's kids over and they're playing basketball and somebody's thirsty. I just bring some water out, and I'm not afraid of them breaking any of my glass cups. These are funny little flamingos. Oh my gosh, they're funny little legs with little strings.
Yeah, it's right.
Thank you.
This is the new color and organization is the navy and the gray. I really like the navy blue. Really pretty. And the gray is really nice too. And these ones have lids, so they're quite easy to stack. The other ones you just kind of pop open the little handles and they stack on top of one another. I'm zooming through here because I don't have a lot of time today. But I wanted to still share with you what I see when I come in. I think this would be so cute on a wreath. For the American wreath makers, I think this would be adorable hanging on a door. Has anyone tried using this paper in their Cricut machine, their Silhouette, or even using the punch, like a hole punch, you know, a decal puncher, and see if it works well for making embellishments? Sometimes there's nice foil here, like a thicker cardboard type foil, and that's really nice for paper punching. Oh my gosh, look at these. How cute for a Lego theme party. You don't even need to have tons of them, but just a few for decoration. So cute. Check out the lemons. How nice are these? If you have like a lemon themed kitchen, you can put some of those in a glass vase or bowl. How pretty would that be? Oh, I actually needed another roll of this. I haven't seen it in a while. No white yarn either. So I found this Natural Fantastic spray kind of in a clear bottle like this, and it had a green label on the front, and I absolutely loved it for cleaning my car. And I have leather seats, and now every time I go into Dollar Tree I look for it, but I haven't had any luck. And the only reason I found it was because I was filming cleaning supplies for you guys last time. Oh, these are new here. I've never noticed these before. They have been here before. I've never paid attention. They look new to me. Podge, and if you're a crafter, you know that you'll always need a bottle of Mod Podge on hand. Well, these are cute. You can paint them, and they look like they have LED lights, but they're not balancing nicely, I guess, because the little peg thingy is there. Oh my gosh, look, the little pineapple too. What a great craft. Oh, you know me in stationery. I always have to check out what's new here. I still have to do a huge pen review for you guys. I haven't even opened any of the pens I bought. I'm not supposed to be looking at any more pens. I love these little notebooks, but I like plain pages and I like big pages.
Where you will find everything you need to celebrate the holiday with you. Picnic supplies and grilling needs to snacks, beverages, outdoor toys, and so much more. Thank you for shopping Dollar Tree and have a great day.
Oh wow, look what's back. They've brought back the paper pads. They're not the Forever in Time, but they're made by Jot. Look at this, they're sealed up, so that's awesome. Continuing on the other side with all the stationery. Expandable file folder. These are new sticky notes.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
These are new here at our store too. So they've got like the lemons and a strawberry. if you have themes in your kitchen, then I guess that would go really cute. This novelty end cap always gets me. How cute are these keychains? Oh my goodness. And another Little Mermaid tail. I already bought one of those. I always like checking out their pens too, because I think I have quite the collection going on in my craft room. Oh, these are fun, the spin tops. Cute little unicorn. Anyways, I'm gonna head out to the checkout and hopefully not buy any more pens. Until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. Bye for now.